Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to send an email out of Salesforce quickly and easily. Perfect for keeping your communication smooth and professional. First, open Salesforce and click the App Launcher. That's the grid icon in the top left corner. Next, find the record you want to email, whether it's a contact, lead, or account. Click to open it. After that, look for the Send Email option in the Activity section of the record. Click it to open a blank email form. Now enter a clear subject line that summarizes your message, then write your email in the Compose window. Keep it concise and aligned with your communication goals. To complete your message, attach any relevant files, like documents or images that support your email. Next, check the recipient field. Salesforce usually suggests the right contact, but you can add more manually if needed. Finally, click Send. You might see a confirmation pop up, and that's it. Your email is on its way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.